Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Tkinter widgets. So mainly I will discuss two important widgets. Number one, entry, and second one is label. So what is entry widget? Entry widget is basically used to accept single line text input for any GUI application. And to use this widget, we need to call the constructor of entry class, and within this constructor we need to pass some parameters. Number one, bg. Bg means we can set the background color of the input box. Second, fg. Fg means we can set the foreground color or text color of the entry widget. Number 3, bd. It defines 3D border of the entry widget. Next, number 4 is text variable. So text variable means to set any value within the entry widget or to retrieve any value from the entry widget, we need a variable declaration. That variable is called control variable. So control variable type is normally of string var class, and within this variable we can call two methods, set and get. Set is basically used to set any value, and get is used to retrieve the value from the entry widget. Next parameter is width parameter. We can specify the width in character, and default is 20 character, and we can specify as per our requirement. Next, show parameter. Show means suppose we want to accept any password from the user. So we know that password is of asterisk type, or it can be displayed as an asterisk. So using show parameter we can specify our required character. So user given character appears like this. Now for example, how can we declare any entry class instance? So e1 equal to tkn.entry, and within the constructor we are passing all the arguments. First argument is GUI, means parent window. Next, bg equal to yellow, background color. fg equal to blue, means foreground color or text color. And show equal to asterisk, means all the characters will be shown in asterisk format. Width equal to 15 characters, and border is 3, and text variable we are specifying s1. So it means if we write s1.get, means we can retrieve the value from the entry widget. Similarly, if we write s1.set, means we can set any value for the entry widget. Now second widget, that is label. So what is the purpose of label? Label means basically it can display one or more lines of text, and it is also used to display any image. So there are also some parameters that we can specify in the label class constructor while declaring an instance, and those parameters are Number one, BG means background color, we can set this. FG means we can set the foreground color or text color. Width means we can specify the width of the label in total number of characters. BD means we can set the 3D border. Height means we can specify the height in number of lines. So if we specify height equal to 5, so it means 5 lines. Similarly, there is also a text variable, and like entry widget, we can specify any text variable, and using which we can set or get the values. Width means we can specify the width in number of characters. Then pad X means extra space will be added to the left and right of the text, and default space is basically 1 character. Similarly, pad Y means we can add extra space above and below the text, and default is 1. Similarly, there is an important parameter, that is text, and using this argument we can specify 1 or more lines of text, and in case of multi-line we can specify /n for line break. And there is image, through which we can specify or set the image that we want to display in the label. Now for example, how can we declare any label widget or label class instance? L1 equal to tkn.label. So tkn is basically alias, Tkinter package alias. Then within this constructor we are specifying all the arguments. First one is GUI, means parent window. Then text equal to hello /n world, means it will display in 2 lines, means hello in one line, first line, and in second line world will be displayed. Then BG equal to yellow, means background color. FG equal to blue, means foreground color. Total width is 25 characters. Height is 5 lines. BD means border equal to 5, and here we are specifying text variable equal to S1. Pad X and pad Y both are of 5. So in this way we can declare 2 widgets. First one is entry and second one is label. Now in the next part I am showing you an example using both of these widget, entry and label. Now see this example, there are total 5 widgets are used. First, your name, it is a label. Then this is an entry widget, then 2 buttons are used, and again it will be a label. So 1 entry widget, 2 label widget, and 2 button widgets are used here. Next I will show you how to write program using these 2 types of widget. So as per our example, previous example, I am showing you practically how can we create this application. So I already defined in my previous video, there are certain steps to perform GUI application. So first step is importing this Tkinter module, and Tkin is the alias name. And second step, we are creating this GUI window using tk class constructor. Then GUI dot geometry method. Here we can specify width and height of the application or window. Next we change this background color using configure method, and in this I am specifying bg equal to yellow, means background color will be changed to yellow. The next step, declare all the control variables. So in this application 3 variables are required, and these are all string var instance. So I am copy and pasting. So 3 variables s1, s2 and s3. Next step, define event handler. So 2 event handlers are required. Click one and click 2. Then creating all the widget instances. So as per our example, 2 labels are required. So tkin.label, within this constructor specifying all the argument. GUI is the parent window. Then label caption, I am writing your name. And changing the background color also yellow. Next, entry widget, tkn dot entry GUI, specifying the width 25 and using text variable parameter I am specifying the control variable here. Suppose s1, I am attaching this s1 variable with entry widget. Then 2 buttons are used in this application. So tkn dot button, then caption text equal to click, command equal to click one, means attaching click one event handler with this button. Similarly for button 2 also same line. So b2 equal to, here caption will be reset and event handler name will be click 2. Now another label is required, L2 equal to tkn dot label GUI bg equal to background color will be yellow. Now next step, layout manager or layout management. We need to arrange all these widgets. So for that I am using grid layout. So L1 dot grid. So label 1 will be placed at row 0, column 0. Then entry widget will be placed at row 0, column 1. Then two buttons are used. The first button will be placed at second row, means row 1, column 0, first column, and second button B2 will be placed at second row, second column, means column 1, and finally the level 2, second level will be placed at third row, means row 2, and first column, column 0. Now last step is calling this function, main loop function, GUI.main loop. It is mandatory for every GUI application. Now within this event handler I am writing the code S1 equal to S3 equal to hello plus S1 dot get, then S2 dot set S3. In second level we are attaching the text variable S2. Now what will happen here, S1 dot get, S1 means this variable is attached with entry widget, so we are fetching the content or retrieving the content of this entry widget and concatenate hello with this, and the resultant string will be stored in S3 variable. Now S2 dot set S3 means S2 is attaching with this variable with this level 2. Now S2 dot set S3 means this resultant string will be displayed in this level. Now click 2 is for button 2. So button 2 means reset button. So when user click on this button, everything will be restored or back to its previous state. So it means S1 dot set single quotation means entry widget will be cleared. S2 dot set within bracket single quotation means level 2 will be cleared. Then E1 dot focus. So focus is the method of entry widget. It basically places the cursor at the entry widget position. So now I am saving this application. Now run this file. So this is our GUI application. So if we write here a name and click on this button, then it will display in the label hello Nilanjan, means hello this string. And if we click on this reset button, all these widgets will be cleared and cursor will be blinked in this entry widget. So in this way we can use entry and label widget. So hope you will enjoy this video, and if you like this, please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.